All right, here's a LG front load washer door lock assembly. This is what you see from the outside. The latch on the door then goes in there and then presses against that little lever, which is right here, and that feeds back into the solenoid via this little nub that gets either locked in place or can slide via the solenoid, which is this copper assembly here. So this slides in or out to pull this back so that latch can then move or not move. And again, it's normally open and is only actuated when it's running.